I am Dr. Jane Awi. I am the Executive Director of the Somaro Research Institute at the University of Goroka. I am really excited to be part of the INTRACOMP project at the invitation of the Institute of PNG Studies, or IPNGS, and I look forward to working with you all in the near future. Thank you.
Hello, Olgata. I am Naomi Pike Simet from Papua New Guinea. I work with the Institute of Papua New Guinea Studies, and I'm the Assistant Director of the Dance Division. I'm very excited to work with you all on this INTRACOMP project.
Hi everybody, my name is Sophie Naime and I work with the University of Papua New Guinea and I teach in the theatre arts area. I've been engaged in this project through IPNGS, or Institute of Papua New Guinea Studies, and I'm so happy to be part of this project, and I really look forward to meeting all of you through Zoom or in person. Thank you.